drew some sail panels for the late model for this black diamond, and I had them laser cut. I wanted to have my own sail panels. I mean, I already got my own spoiler, and also did a breakaway here. Now, these are the first designs of these. I've already went ahead and changed the T-bar support a little bit. It has a return over here now. It comes, I think, like 6 inches this way, so you can bolt in here. And then I added a return bend on the bottom of this flange here, so that goes forward. Everything's kind of a work in progress, but wanted to show you, hold on a second. Okay, I wanted to show you the sail panels. I wanted to go for a little different look that nobody else had, and I think I got that. I like them. I've made 1 or 2 changes to them. They're made out of 080 aluminum. Well, it's 14 gauge. They come with backing plates. So you got the backing plate here, and you got the backing plate through the arch. The holes are set so you can bolt them at the top. This side, you can bend this lower leg to go under the door, but it'll probably come flat, so you can bend this yourself. Now I've put some reliefs inside in this bend, and I was able to bend it on that brake. Now if we go over here to the other side, we have the driver's side sail, same thing. Bolts at the bottom, bolts to the top, support on the B pillar, and support on the arch. Now the sail panels, in a kit you'll get both right and left side sail panels. You get 2 of the arch support plates, then you'll get 2 of the B pillar plates, and you'll get the bolting plate for the driver's side. And pretty much everything else on the car is done. We got her on the ground a couple days ago, and we got the lower nose trimmed where it needs to be. A pillars are all on, sail panels are all on. We got all of the spring steel in place on both sides now, so she is ready. There's only one more thing we're waiting to show up. The fuel arrived yesterday. We were hoping to go racing Saturday night, but we didn't realize it was a super race, so he may still go over and try, or we're going to do a practice session Sunday morning. Either way, just want to get her out and see what she's capable of after all the changes. I know Darren's really excited to get in it, but she turned out looking great. Really need to give a shout out to Hayden Lomax, Black Widow Graphics. She looks great. Darren's happy with how she turned out. So, only thing we have left to do, put her on the ground, check the camber, set the pinion angle, 5th coil, and then just throw her on the scales just to see how much she weighs. We should be, I don't know, he'll either be out Saturday night at Shady Hill Speedway, or we are going to be at Shady Hill Speedway Sunday morning. I'm really happy with how she turned out. I really like the sail panels. I'm gonna get that all finalized and get them up and get them posted. So they will be for sale soon. So I'll have the sail panels, I'll have the T-bar brace, spoiler. This isn't my spoiler, but mine's up there. Mine has an 8-inch breakaway. I'm thinking about doing a second version with the larger breakaway, I was also thinking about doing the spoiler where these are separate from the blades. So it makes it kind of easier to repair. There's just more pieces, and this would have to rivet on. So haven't really completely made up my mind on that yet. This one will be heading home this weekend regardless. Might have a video tomorrow. I need to get the plug wires. Got a cap and wires for it that need to go on. And one last thing tomorrow that should be coming in the mail tomorrow to go on it. And then she's ready to rock. Even elusive Mikey's making it into the video. That thing looks good in the light. You have to go out, make it wide. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate you watching the videos. I appreciate everyone that's subscribing. I think we're at 662 now. The channel will be coming up on a year old, I believe September 14th. So I would just really like to say thank you to everyone who's been supporting the channel this far and who have helped make this crazy little adventure possible. So that's where I'm going to end this. If you haven't yet, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Remember to hit the bell icon down in the corner so you'll know when I upload new content. And I will see you in the next video.